Listen and read. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896, and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then.
Listen, Anusha and Baichong are watching TV.
Listen and say.
Hi Baichong, what do you know about Olympics? Do you know what these rings represent?
No, I don't. Could you possibly tell me what it is?
Well, these rings represent the 5 continents that compete in the Olympic Games. The continents are Asia, America, Africa, Europe, and Oceania.
Whoa, it sounds amazing. Could you tell me something more?
Well, the Olympic Games even have their own anthem. Would you like to listen to it?
Sure.
Answer the questions. 1. How often are the Olympics held? 2. How many countries compete in the Olympics? 3. How many athletes compete in the Olympics? 4. How many sports are there in the Olympics? 5. When was the first Olympics? 6. When did the modern Olympic game begin? 1. How often are the Olympics held? 2. How many countries compete in the Olympics? 3. How many athletes compete in the Olympics? 4. How many sports are there in the Olympics? 5.